Hello children, I hope you all are happy and safe today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here, every day we will try to do something new in a fun and exciting way. Do you all remember the tongue twister that we tried in the previous session? पिछले सेशन में हमने जो टंग ट्विस्टर किया था, क्या आपको वो याद? I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Did you all like doing the tongue twister? क्या आपको टंग ट्विस्टर कहने में मजा आया था? Let us try to do another tongue twister. She sees cheese. Sounds easy, right? I will repeat it one more time. She sees cheese. I hope you were able to read these 3 words. 3 words sound simple, right? She sees cheese. Let us read them one more time. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. I think it's very simple. Let us increase the speed a little. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. It's still very simple, right? Let us increase the speed a little bit more. अब कहने की स्पीड थोड़ी और बढ़ाते हैं. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. She sees. Oops, I couldn't do it. I hope you will be able to do it. I hope you all like saying the tongue twister with me. We all know the importance of words in a language. हम सभी एक शब्द का एक भाषा के लिए महत्व जानते हैं. So let us learn some new words. Our first word is peanut. 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 I like salted peanuts. The second word is cracked. 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 Egg fell down and cracked. The third word is operation. 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 Rima needed an operation after her accident. Our fourth word is stomach. 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 I ate so much of food that my stomach is full. Our fifth word is feeling. 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 I am feeling very happy today. Children, what do you do when you fall sick? बच्चों, जब आप बीमार हो जाते हैं तो आप क्या करते हैं? We go to see a doctor. Doctor checks us and gives us medicines, right? जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. डॉक्टर हमें चेक करता है और हमें दवाइयां लिख कर देता है. Just like us, In today's poem, we will see how a boy got hurt and a doctor came to his rescue. Please open page number 20 of your My English textbook. If you have a textbook, point your finger on the words with me. अगर आपके पास textbook है, तो अपनी उंगली को शब्दों पर मेरे साथ रखें. And if you don't have a textbook, don't worry. Listen to me carefully. और अगर आपके पास textbook नहीं है, तो कोई बात नहीं. मुझे ध्यान से सुने. Do you all remember the 5 words that we just learned? I want you all to keep a look of them when we read the chapter. The name of the poem is Just Now. Found a peanut, found a peanut, found a peanut just now. Just now, I found a peanut. Found a peanut just now. In this stanza, we see how little boy here found a peanut while he was walking. इस स्टैंजा में हमने देखा कैसे इस छोटे से लड़के को चलते चलते एक सेंग मिला. Cracked it open, cracked it open, cracked it open just now. Just now I cracked it open, cracked it open just now. In this stanza, we see how the little boy cracks open the peanut that he found. इस स्टैंजा में हमने देखा कैसे इस छोटे से लड़के ने जो सेंग उसे मिला था उसके 2 टुकड़े कर दिए. Ate the peanut, ate the peanut, ate the peanut just now. Just now, I ate the peanut, ate the peanut just now. In this stanza, we see how the little boy eats the peanut that he had cracked open. इस स्टैंजा में हमने देखा कैसे इस छोटे से बच्चे ने जो उसे सेंग मिला था उसे खा लिया. Got a stomach ache, got a stomach ache, got a stomach ache just now. Just now I got a stomach ache. Got a stomach ache just now. In this stanza, we see how the little boy hurt his tummy after eating the peanut. इस स्टैंजा में हमें देखा कि कैसे सेंग को खाने के बाद इस छोटे से लड़के के पेट में दर्द होने लगा. Call the doctor, call the doctor, call the doctor just now. Just now, call the doctor just now. In this stanza, we see how the little boy here is in pain and he is calling for the doctor. इस स्टैंजा में हमने देखा कैसे छोटे से बच्चे के पेट में बहुत जोरों से दर्द हो रहा है और वो डॉक्टर के लिए पुकार रहा है. Operation, operation, operation just now. Just now, operation, operation just now. In this stanza, we see how the stomach ache was so much that the little boy had to go for an operation. इस स्टैंजा में हमने देखा कैसे उस छोटे से बच्चे के पेट में इतनी ज्यादा दर्द हो रही थी कि उसे ऑपरेशन की जरूरत पड़ी. Feeling better, feeling better, feeling better just now. Just now, I'm feeling better. Feeling better just now. In this stanza, we see how after the operation, The little boy is feeling better. इस स्टैंजा में हमने देखा कि कैसे ऑपरेशन होते ही इस छोटे से बच्चे का पेट ठीक हो जाता है और वो बहुत अच्छा महसूस करने लगता है. Bye bye doctor, bye bye doctor, bye bye doctor just now. Just now, bye bye doctor, bye bye doctor just now. In this stanza, we see how the little boy is so happy that he is waving goodbye to the doctor. इस स्टैंजा में हमने सीखा कि कैसे ये छोटा सा बच्चा बहुत खुश है और वो डॉक्टर को अलविदा कह रहा है. Did you all like this poem? In today's poem, we saw how the doctor saved the little boy from a lot of pain. आज की कविता में हमने सीखा कि कैसे एक डॉक्टर ने उस छोटे से बच्चे की मदद की. Now, let us do an activity. On your screen, you will see some pictures. You have to look at these pictures very carefully and identify what has happened to all of these people. Then, match it correctly with the next column. अब आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पर कुछ तस्वीरें नजर आएंगी. आपको उन तस्वीरों को गौर से देखना है और ये पहचानना है कि इन सभी लोगों को क्या हुआ है. पहचानने के बाद उसके सही जवाब के साथ उसे मिलाना भी है. ऑल द बेस्ट. Now, let us look at the answers. Can you guess what has happened to the boy in the first picture? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ये पहली तस्वीर में जो लड़का है उसे क्या हुआ है? Yes, he has a stomach ache. उसे पेट में दर्द है. Now let us look at the second picture. Can you all tell me what happened to the lady in the second picture? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ये दूसरे पिक्चर में जो महिला है उन्हें क्या हुआ है? Yes, she has a headache. उन्हें सर में दर्द है. Now let us look at the third picture. Do you know what has happened to the girl in the third picture? तीसरी तस्वीर में जो लड़की है उसे क्या हुआ है? Yes, she has cold and cough. उसे सर्दी और खांसी हुई है. Now let us look at the last picture. What do you think has happened to the boy in the last picture? ये आखिरी तस्वीर में जो बच्चा है उसे क्या हुआ है? Yes, he has fever. उसे बुखार हुआ है. I hope you all liked learning through these activities with me. Now, it is time for all of you to sit back and relax while I tell you a wonderful story. अब आप सब आराम से बैठकर इस मजेदार कहानी को ध्यान से सुनें. Do you all like plants? I love plants. मुझे पौधों से बहुत लगाव है. Which is your favorite plant? आपका सबसे मनपसंद पौधा कौन सा है? My favorite plant is cactus. मेरा सबसे मनपसंद पौधा cactus है. I still remember when I was a little girl, my mother had gifted me a plant. and I had to take care of the plant every day. मुझे आज भी याद है, जब मैं छोटी सी थी, मेरी माँ ने मुझे एक पौधा गिफ्ट किया था और मैं हर दिन उस पौधे का ध्यान से देखभाल करती थी. Just like me, in today's story, Tina's mother also gifted her a plant. The name of the story is Tina's Red Bean Plant, and it is translated by Alicia Berger. On her birthday, Tina received a very special gift. टीना के बर्थडे पर उसे एक बहुत ही खास गिफ्ट मिला. Can you all guess what it is? Her mother gifted her a plant, a red bean plant and a gardening book. टीना के बर्थडे पर उसकी माँ ने उसे एक बहुत ही खास तोहफा दिया. उन्होंने उसे एक लाल बीन का पौधा और गार्डनिंग का बुक भी दिया. अब टीना खुद एक पौधा उगा सकती है. टीना was very happy. टीना बहुत ही ज्यादा खुश थी. Now Tina was very excited. She opened the book and started reading. It said, "You have to first plant the seeds." So Tina started planting the seeds. Then the book said, "Tina, you are doing a great job." The next step was to water it. Now Tina sang while watering the plants. La 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 la. अब टीना गाते गाते पौधों को पानी दे रही थी. When Tina met her friends, she told them, "My red bean plant will grow tall very soon." All her friends told her that you have to give it a lot of water because just like us, plants also need water to grow up. A few days later, the red bean plant sprouted. Tina saw this and she was very happy. She screamed and told her mother that, "Ma, look at this, my plant is growing." कुछ दिनों बाद टीना का लाल बीन का पौधा फूटने लगा. वो ये देखकर बहुत ही ज्यादा खुश हुई और दौड़ी दौड़ी अपनी माँ के पास पहुंची. उसने उन्हें कहा कि माँ देखिए, मेरे लाल बीन का पौधा बड़ा हो रहा है. Now Tina was very happy. The very next day in the morning, Tina went to water her plants. La 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 la. She started watering them regularly. Now the book came behind her and told her, "Tina, not like that." Not only did Tina water the plants in the morning, she also watered them in the afternoon. She kept watering the plants all the time. La 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 la. Now Tina was very happy. But the book came behind her and started telling her, "Tina, not like this. My pages clearly tell you not to water the plants at noon." अब टीना बहुत ही ज्यादा खुश थी और वो सिर्फ सुबह नहीं, दोपहर को भी अपने पौधों को पानी देने लगी. इतने में किताब ने उसके पीछे आकर उसे कहा कि टीना, मेरे किताब में क्लियरली बताया गया है कि पौधों को दोपहर में पानी नहीं देना है. The book kept on warning Tina, but Tina did not listen to it. She kept on watering her plants. The next day, Tina was leaving for school. Before going, she said, "Ma, give my plants some water in the afternoon." Her mother asked her, Tina, have you read the book? A few days later, Tina was also very upset. The leaves on her plant were drying. कुछ दिन बाद टीना भी बहुत ही ज्यादा उदास हो गई थी. उसके पौधे पर जो पत्ते आए थे वो मुरझाने लगे थे. At school, Tina told all her friends, "My plant is not growing. The leaves have dried. I have been taking such good care of my plant. I don't know what is happening." Her friends asked, "What did the book say?" कुछ दिन बाद जब टीना स्कूल पहुंची तब उसने अपने सारे दोस्तों को इसके बारे में बताया. उसने कहा कि कैसे वो इतना ध्यान रखने के बावजूद उसका पौधा मुरझाने लगा था. अब ये सुनकर उसके दोस्तों ने उससे पूछा कि किताब में क्या लिखा है. "Oh my, I have stopped reading the book," said Tina. मैंने बुक तो पढ़ना बंद कर दिया है, ऐसा टीना ने कहा. As soon as Tina reached home, she told her mom that, "Mom, now I am going to read the book." Her mother said, "That is a very good idea." When she reads the book, Tina realizes that she was supposed to water the plant only once a day. जैसे ही टीना ने किताब पढ़ी, उसे ये समझ आया कि उसे पौधे को सिर्फ एक बार पानी देना था दिन में. Now Tina was very upset. She hugged her plant and told her, "I am so sorry, Bean." Tina's mother told her that you don't have to be upset. Your plant knows that you loved him dearly. Tina's mother told her that you should apologize to the book also because you ignored her. टीना की माँ ने उससे कहा कि तुम्हें इस किताब से भी माफी मांगनी चाहिए. तुमने उसे भी पढ़ना बंद कर दिया था. A few days later, Tina's red bean plant was healthy again. Now Tina and the gardening book were best friends. कुछ ही दिनों बाद टीना का लाल बीन का पौधा बहुत ही ज्यादा बड़ा हो गया था. अब टीना और उसका गार्डनिंग का बुक बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हो गए थे. I hope you all like this story. Today, we learned the importance of staying healthy. Now, I want all of you to ask your family and friends, what are the 5 things that we can do to stay healthy? अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपने परिवार से पूछकर ऐसी 5 चीजों के बारे में जानें जो हम कर सकते हैं ताकि हम तंदुरुस्त रहे. I will see you in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and bye-bye.